Spin around. Not you, Mom. The, the grass. Run with it. And then run back. And run back. Just throw it in the mat. And throw it on their mat. It's like a new thing or something.
Are they even grass on the ground?
She will look into it. Just drop it in the food dish. I know there's a couple of them.
There's two here. One on the ground. But she's sitting right.
Yeah, that's the storm.
I went first.
I will include you, Mom.